This is station E, amperage. This is a multimeter. It's different from the other ones in class. This is mine. I used it when I was doing auto repair work back when I was a mechanic. Anyway, it does all sorts of different things. It measures voltage. It can measure resistance. You'll see the ohm sign over there at about 1 o'clock. It can also measure amperage. So we are going to measure the amount of current flowing when we are running this small buzzer. This buzzer is hooked up to a battery. Now a battery is a series of cells put together. So here we have 4 D cells. Each of those is 1.5 volts approximately. So 1.5 times 4 would be 6. So we have about 6 volts right here. So we are going to look at our circuit path that we have here. So the plus end over on the left, that one has extra electrons. So they are going to travel through the buzzer, through this probe, and this probe goes all the way back to the voltmeter, multimeter. Then it'll go through the multimeter, through the black cord, and then all the way to the minus end of the battery, which has very few electrons. So the electrons are going to move from the plus end in a complete circuit, or circle in some senses, all the way to the minus end, so where there are too many electrons to where there are too few. So let's see what we get here. So there's our buzzer, and we'll go over and we can read our amperage. This is in millivolts. So millivolts, so that was approximately 2324 millivolts. And I'm sure that you can rewind the video and get a much more definite reading. But, so millivolts, a millivolt is 1,000th of a volt. So do your math.